Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's Game Changer Money. I'm here to tell y'all how to change the game in your finances, the entrepreneur life. More videos on the way. Make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. If you got some side hustles you want me to do, put it down below. If you got some crypto you want me to check out, put it down below. Today we are going to be talking about Shiba. I'm here for Shiba in the long haul. This is why I'm doing this with my Shiba on crypto.com. And if you don't already have a crypto.com account, make sure you check the link down below in the comment section, description box below. Sign up on crypto.com. Enjoy all the benefits of crypto.com. It is cool. The earn percentages. Now the earn percentage did go down. I recorded this video a long time ago and I finally decided to upload it today. I'll pull up the percentages right now. Rewards did change, but if it looks like Shiba is still the same. It's still at 2% at the time I recorded my video. So just a heads up, wanted to throw that out there. You know, I like to be honest with y'all. Like I said, I'm starting from the bottom, and by the end of the year, I want to look back at these videos and be like, man, this is the power of investing. This is the power of dollar cost averaging. I can't wait to see at the end of the year, January 1st, 2023, where our portfolio is looking like. If you want the portfolio video, just make sure you hit the like button right now, and I'll do it soon. As soon as we get a big enough community here, I might just do it just because. But yeah, y'all are here for the Shiba on how to make money, passive income on your Shiba. Now, first, what you're gonna want to do is become a member of crypto.com. Like I said, click the link down below if you haven't already done so. You are losing out on free money here. Free money you are losing out on. Do it. Whether it's the Bitcoin or the passive income on Shiba, you're gonna want to sign in. This is the main menu of crypto.com. Sign in on your phone. Do it. Once you hit that, it's gonna take you to this screen where it has crypto wallet, track, fiat. You see it on the screen. You're gonna want to scroll down until you see the finance tab and then hit earn. So you want to go down, finance, then hit earn. As you can see, I'm already staking my Crow coin. Like I said, this is a while ago. The interest rates is not the same. This is a while ago that I did this. I might make a before and after video. I might do that. But after you hit the crypto earn, you're going to want to hit the plus sign at the top of the screen. You're going to want to hit the plus sign at the top of the screen. After you hit the plus sign, all of the crypto earn coins that you can earn passive income on is going to pop up on the screen. You got Crow, you got Shiba, you got USDC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, BNB, Binance, you got Cardano. You got a whole list of things that you can earn passive income on. So what we want for this video is Shiba. So you're going to want to scroll down. I'm not sure if it's going to be on the top of your screen or the bottom. But what you're going to want to do is find Shiba and click on Shiba. And there is a minimum amount of Shiba that you must have in your crypto wallet for you to participate in the crypto earn program, for you to earn passive income on your Shiba. It is 8 million. 8 million is the minimum, the bare minimum you can have in your wallet to apply for this crypto earn. So once you get 8 million, you can choose either the flexible where you can earn 0.5 per year percent. You can pull it out whenever. You can put it in, pull out, pull it in, pull out whenever. And then here's the ones where you have to keep it in for a while. See me, I was long term, so I chose 3 months, but you can go 1 month term where you can earn 1% per annum. Assets will be held for 1 month and will earn 1% per year for the duration. Or the 3 month term where you can earn 2%. I chose the 3, like I said, I'm longing it. I'm probably going to hold this for a long time until the next bull run. Like, I'm literally talking like 2030. Well, when they're still burning the coin, I'm holding it for a long time. So I might just keep hitting 3 months. I might get another 8 mil. So I'm going to have one for 3 months going. And by the time that one's expired, I'm going to have another 3 months going. It's going to be like an endless cycle of Shiba. That's for another video. Like I said, pick the one that you want to choose. You can choose flexible, 1 month, 3 months. And then once you do that, once you choose one, it's going to take you to another screen where it's going to give you the terms. You understand, you agree, you understand, blah, 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 blah. Everybody reads those. We all understand we must read those, right? So like I said, I chose to do 25 million of my Shiba. The assets will be held for 3 months and will be available again on May 17th. Mine's about to end. I might just do where I'm at now with how much I've earned so far. Today's April 11th. Like, I finally decided to do the video. I literally lost this video and I'm like trying to clear out my computer and I ended up finding it. But I'm depositing 25 million. You can choose however much you want. $700 worth, 25 million from crypto wallet, and then you hit deposit at the bottom of your screen. Hit deposit. Once you decide to do it, it's gonna give you a countdown, so you gotta think quick. You can hit confirm deposit. It shows you amount, the term 3 months, APR 2%, method Shiba wallet. Like I said, I put 25 million in there, and then once you are ready to deposit your Shiba, you then hit confirm at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, you're all ready to go to earn passive income on your Shiba. And I'm loving this so far, man. I'm loving it. You all need to get on this crypto chain, this train, man. Please do it, please. I hope you find this channel and it's motivating you to get into it too. Cause I'm literally just like yo. I'm starting from the bottom. I'm not like these other YouTubers with $1 million in Ethereum, $1 million in Cardano, $1 million in Polygon, Bitcoin. I'm earning it just like y'all. So hopefully this is motivation to y'all to, you know, $25 here this month, $100 here this week, $1 today. Just get on it, bro. Get on it. Like I said, this is all for me. This is hard-earned money right here. So it's all deposited, and now I'm making money doing nothing. Making money doing nothing. So we got that, and you are all ready to go. You sit there and watch your money pile up. Now you can see when you go back to your crypto earn screen that we seen it earlier. You got the Shiba. It shows you your term ends in 90 days. It's like a countdown every day. 3-month term. It was like $700 worth. Shiba. 25 million, and it's locked in. You can't touch it. This is the best savings account I've ever had, because I don't know if you're like me, you'll transfer the money over. You see the money's in there and then you just transfer it over. Here, you can't do that. It's locked up. Literally, it's gone. I can't see it, can't do nothing with it. This is the perfect savings, and I'm earning way more interest than I would in any type of bank. Literally, this is the best bank you can have. It's crypto.com. Make sure you check the link below. Sign up. You get money, I get money, we all win. Get the card. You earn Crow on every purchase. I feel like Crow is going to be big in the future, man. $100. I'm not saying anytime soon, but maybe 2030. Imagine all your Crow you accumulate until 2030, and maybe it hits like $50, $100. Imagine. Join in, man. Join in. Lock in. But make sure you hit the like, comment, subscribe, share. If you got any side hustles you want me to do, this whole channel is just about entrepreneurship and investing. If you got any side hustles, let me know. Put it down below. If you got any crypto you want to tell me about, put me on. Put it down below. Like, comment, subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. Stay tuned for the rest of the playlist. And with that being said, we gone.
I told my baby, like it at me. You just can't get at me. The flow is on more than that. I sound just like sound. You can't even beat me if I die twice and you can't stand it. These little Yeezy boots all on my feet, got me out of the plan. Racks all in my pocket, gotta pull them out with both hands.